Are you constantly on the go, juggling work, errands, and life's demands? Do you find yourself searching for convenient, satisfying snacks that won't leave you feeling hungry an hour later? If so, you're not alone. With busy schedules becoming the norm, many people are turning to animal-based snacks for a quick, protein-packed boost that keeps them fueled throughout the day. Why animal-based snacks? They're not just rich in protein, they're also loaded with essential nutrients like iron, B vitamins, and healthy fats. Plus, they're often portable, easy to store, and perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or heading out for an adventure, these snacks offer a reliable way to stay energized and satisfied. In this video, we'll explore 5 fantastic animal-based snack options, starting with a timeless favorite, jerky. Let's dive into why this classic powerhouse remains a go-to for so many. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information. And remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Also, when you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications when we upload new great content every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. When it comes to portable, nutrient-packed snacks, jerky is a classic for good reason. Made by curing and drying thin slices of meat, jerky is lightweight, shelf-stable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer beef, turkey, chicken, or even exotic options like venison or bison, jerky offers a savory and satisfying way to fuel your day. Nutritionally, jerky is a standout. It's high in protein, which supports muscle repair and helps keep you feeling full longer. A typical serving contains 10-15 grams of protein, making it a great option for curbing hunger between meals. It's also low in carbohydrates, which means it won't cause blood sugar spikes. A+ for maintaining steady energy levels. Some varieties even provide essential minerals like iron and zinc, crucial for oxygen transport and immune function. However, not all jerky is created equal. Many commercial brands add preservatives, artificial flavors, and excess sodium. To choose a healthier option, look for jerky that's minimally processed, made from grass-fed or organic meats, and free from added sugars and nitrates. Jerky's convenience and variety make it ideal for tossing into a bag or keeping at your desk. But if you're looking for something even simpler, there's another option that's just as nutritious and requires zero preparation: hard-boiled eggs. Let's explore why these protein-packed gems deserve a spot on your snack list. Hard-boiled eggs are one of the most convenient and nutrient-dense snacks you can find. Compact, easy to prepare, and naturally packaged in their own shell, they're a favorite for anyone looking to stay fueled on the go. What makes hard-boiled eggs such a powerhouse? They're rich in high-quality protein, with about 6 grams per egg, which helps repair tissues, build muscle, and keep you feeling full. Eggs are also packed with essential nutrients like choline, which supports brain health, and vitamin D, crucial for strong bones and immune function. They even contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote healthy eyes. Despite their many benefits, hard-boiled eggs are incredibly simple. You can prepare a batch in advance, store them in the fridge, and grab them whenever hunger strikes. To keep them fresh while traveling, consider a small insulated bag or container. For added flavor, pair them with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, or your favorite seasoning blend. Hard-boiled eggs are satisfying on their own, but they also pair well with other snacks to create a balanced mini-meal. For instance, combine them with a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit for a boost of healthy fats and carbohydrates. Speaking of complementary snacks, let's move on to a creamy, indulgent option that's both delicious and portable: cheese snacks. Discover why these dairy delights make an excellent addition to your on-the-go snack rotation. Few snacks are as comforting and versatile as cheese. With its rich flavor and creamy texture, cheese is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that make it an excellent choice for busy lifestyles. Whether you grab string cheese, pre-cut cubes, or individually wrapped wedges, cheese snacks are easy to take on the go. Nutritionally, cheese is a powerhouse. It's an excellent source of calcium, a mineral essential for strong bones and teeth, as well as nerve and muscle function. It's also rich in protein, about 6 to 8 grams per serving, making it a filling and energy-boosting option. Cheese contains healthy fats, which not only provide long-lasting energy, but also help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A and D. For those watching their diet, opting for low-fat or reduced sodium varieties can keep your snack healthier without sacrificing flavor. Pairing cheese with other foods can enhance its benefits. For example, combining it with fresh fruit adds natural sweetness and fiber, while pairing it with nuts offers an extra dose of healthy fats and crunch. Cheese snacks are perfect for work breaks, school lunches, or road trips. And their wide variety of flavors means there's something for everyone. But if you're looking for an animal-based snack that's as convenient and nutrient-dense as cheese but packs a different kind of punch, consider canned or packaged fish. Let's explore why these omega-3 rich options are a fantastic choice for life on the go. If you're looking for a snack that's both nutrient-dense and incredibly convenient, canned or packaged fish is an excellent option. From tuna and salmon to sardines and mackerel, these seafood snacks are not only portable, but also packed with high-quality protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that play a key role in brain function, reducing inflammation, and supporting cardiovascular health. Fish like salmon and mackerel are especially rich in these fatty acids, making them a smart choice for maintaining energy and focus throughout the day. Additionally, a serving of canned fish provides a hefty dose of protein, around 20 grams per 3-ounce portion, along with vital nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, especially in sardines, and selenium, which supports immune function. What makes canned and packaged fish even more appealing is its versatility. Single-serve packets are perfect for tossing into a bag, while small cans can be enjoyed with minimal preparation. Pair them with crackers or veggie sticks for a quick snack, or add a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice for a gourmet touch. When choosing these snacks, look for options packed in water or olive oil to avoid excess sodium or unhealthy oils. Sustainably sourced fish is another factor to consider for environmental impact. While canned fish is a nutritional powerhouse, you might crave something with a little more flavor variety. That's where meat sticks and bars come in. Let's dive into why these modern snacks are a great on-the-go choice. For a snack that combines convenience, flavor, and nutrition, meat sticks and bars are hard to beat. These modern twists on traditional meat snacks are portable, protein-packed, and come in a variety of flavors that cater to different tastes. From classic beef and turkey to blends like bison cranberry or chicken sriracha, there's a meat stick or bar for every palate. Nutritionally, meat sticks and bars shine as a great source of complete protein, which means they provide all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair, energy, and overall health. A single serving typically contains 7 to 10 grams of protein, making it a satisfying choice to stave off hunger. Many brands also include nutrient-rich ingredients like dried fruits or seeds, adding an extra boost of fiber, healthy fats, or antioxidants. When selecting meat sticks or bars, it's essential to check the ingredient list. Look for products made with minimally processed, high-quality meats like grass-fed beef or free-range turkey. Avoid options loaded with artificial preservatives, added sugars, or unhealthy fillers. The compact size of these snacks makes them perfect for stuffing in your bag, keeping in your car, or packing for a hike. They're versatile, too. You can pair them with fresh vegetables or cheese for a balanced mini-meal. Now that we've explored these 5 fantastic options, let's wrap up by highlighting why animal-based snacks are the ultimate solution for staying fueled on the go. Animal-based snacks are the ultimate solution for staying energized and nourished while on the go. From the protein-packed goodness of jerky and hard-boiled eggs to the creamy convenience of cheese, omega-3-rich canned fish, and flavorful meat sticks, these options combine nutrition, portability, and taste. By choosing high-quality, minimally processed snacks, you can fuel your busy lifestyle without compromising on health or flavor. Now it's your turn. Which of these snacks will you try first? Or do you have a go-to animal-based snack we didn't mention? Share your favorites and ideas in the comments below.